She's one of the Kryptonians who survived the destruction of planet Krypton. As the cousin of Superman, she has the same ability, including but not limited to super strength and speed, flight, and invulnerability. She is Kara Zol-El, more known as Supergirl.
I am the Markman, and today we're going to unbox and review McFarlane's DC Direct figure, Supergirl. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Then welcome to the Markverse! This is the story of why Supergirl is now wearing tights. As she arrived on Earth, she is still naive and still adapting to our way of life. One day, while in a park, she interacted with not so good people. Hello, Supergirl. Could you really fly? Quack, 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 quack. Oh, hi. Yes, I can. Could you show it to us? Sure. Fly, Supergirl. Fly. Quack, 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 quack. Bizarro cannot see anything. Hey, it's Batman. Run! Quack, 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 quack. I'm Batman. I don't know what was the commotion here. Oh, hi, Batman. Oh, hi, Supergirl. So, what are you doing here? I'm showing everyone I could fly. Do you want me to continue flying? Ah, yeah. Fly, Supergirl. Fly. Batman? Oh, Superman. What are you doing here? Nothing. Hi, cousin. Kara? I'm Batman, and I'm hurt. And that's the story of why Supergirl is now wearing tights instead of a skirt. Superman required her because of Batman. For me, Supergirl is the second most famous heroine in DC next to Wonder Woman, and I'm glad that McFarlane decided to add another female character to their line. This is very welcoming, especially for me, since this figure is based from a storyline where my favorite fighting video game, Injustice 2, is part of. In addition, Supergirl plays a major role in the story. I like how they sculpt the face. Though it seems her face is unemotional, it's still okay. The sculpting of her hair is also fine, and her skin color is perfect for me. Supergirl is generally blonde, same as her Injustice character, so I guess the dark part of this is only shading from light, but I hope they made it pure blonde. We have shoulder pads on both sides with gold color edges. The cape is attached to these pads. Then for her arms, the gloves that almost extend to her elbow. I like how it complements her cape. Then for her chest, we have the signature S symbol on her chest, and being familiar with the Injustice game, the design is right. I like the combination of the red and gold colors. This is not the traditional costume of Supergirl, the one with the skirt. I like this better. You know, she's flying, then she's wearing a skirt. You know what I mean? So it's more logical for you to wear tights instead of a skirt. The color combination is also right, but it's not that striking. McFarlane can do better. If we look closer, the texture of some parts of her costume is rough. On her cape, the S symbol is painted. The cape does not have too many folds, which I like because it won't affect the S symbol on it. It is bendable and not that heavy, hence it won't affect her stance that much. These are tie bracelets. Her butt is great, not like Arkham City's Catwoman that looks like she is wearing a black diaper. She has shin guards, but it's protecting more of her sides than the front part of her shin. Then her boots, and it also has peg holes. As you can see, the dominant color of her costume is blue, but the red and gold complements as well, including that in her symbol. Let's now check the articulation. Let's start with the head, up, down, then sides. For the arms, we have lateral raise, then forward, back. It's already hitting her shoulder pad. Then she has bicep swivel, double jointed elbow, and full wrist motion. Then for her upper torso, we can move it backward, then forward, then right, left. The torso can also be moved side to side. For her legs, so we can move it sideways. That's it. This is the usual problem with McFarlane figures. Then forward and back. Then no tie swivel, double jointed knee. For her ankle, so we have full ankle motion. And we also have toe articulation. For her accessories, she has a pair of alternate hand, which are both closed fists, a trading card. So this is the front and back. The Injustice comics. Besides Supergirl, we can also see Dr. Fate, Green Arrow, and Batman. Let's put the alternate hands. So the left, and right. So this is nice. Let's have a measurement. So Supergirl is around 6.75 inches. For the comparison, let's start with the Kryptonians, her cousin, the DC Rebirth Superman, and Superman from the Devastator 2-pack. Then General Zod. Then this next character is not a Kryptonian, but it's still nice to put him in this lineup. One of the original member of the Legion of Doom, Bizarro. Then the next batch, Superman's archenemy, Lex Luthor with his blue power suit with Superman's crest and a cape. And also the green version of the power suit. Lastly, another enemy of the Kryptonians, Darkseid. Then the last batch, some of my female McFarlane figures, Wonder Woman, Batgirl, Catwoman, and Harley Quinn. I like this comparison. It gives you more air to breathe than just having male characters. Now, if you look at the comparison, Supergirl's figure is the smallest among the five. As a matter of fact, she's really the smallest in the comics. So this is the comparison. I'm happy that I already have Supergirl in my collection. She is my second most favorite heroine next to Hawkgirl. In terms of the design, I hope they made her color more striking, but the facial sculpt and body symmetry, I love it. McFarlane also became faithful to her costume design in Injustice. For her articulation, it's the same as well with the other McFarlane figures. While her accessories, the alternate hands, it's okay. I don't expect Kryptonians having weapons, but I think they should have included a flight stand instead of a base. Overall, I like this figure. So, if you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push that notification button since I publish new videos every week. Again, I am the Markman. Thank you for visiting the Markverse, and always remember to pay it forward with kindness.